Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony and today I'm going to be installing this beautiful curly wig, and it's a 13x4 HD lace wig from the brand 𝐏𝐄𝐍𝐓𝐒, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. So since this is a 13x4 wig, I'm going to be doing the bald cap method. So I'm just gonna need to wipe off my forehead using an alcohol swab so there'll be no types of oils, and for the bald cap and the lace to stick better. And for the spray, I'm just going to be taking the Ebin Wonder Lace spray, and this is like my second time using this and I love it so freaking much. It works so good, but one thing I do regret is that I should have used more layers. I keep forgetting to add more layers in order for it to last long. And after I'm done cutting the bald cap, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the color 228 Soft Tan, and this is just going to help make the bald cap look more realistic on me. And this is the gorgeous wig that I'm going to be installing from the brand 𝐏𝐄𝐍𝐓𝐒, and I did bleach the knots already, and it already came pre-plucked like that. So yeah, I like how they pre-plucked it. It's not too much and it's not too thin or thick. It looks pretty natural to me in my opinion. And I'm taking my 𝐿𝐵𝐴𝑚 wax stick so I can prepare the hair to be hot combed in the front, because I need all the little flyaways, the baby hairs, out of the way so I do not glue them down. Gonna start off by cutting it in like 3 sections. So I start off in the middle, then I'll start on one side, then the other side. It's just way easier like that, and I'm just gonna be using the same spray that I used for the bald cap method. And when you do this, please use at least like 3, 4, no, 5, maybe up to 5 layers, because it'll last way longer. I only used like 2 or 3 layers and it did not last long for me, so I'm annoyed by that. So that's my fault. But as you can see right here, I kind of messed up on the front lace because it's kind of pulling my forehead back, giving me like a little Botox type of look, a little bit, just a little bit. But I covered that up with baby hairs anyway, so do not mind that. Like I was not about to start over, even though I really could have, because the spray works really good and it doesn't give off like a white cast if you like try to take it off. But besides me messing up with the spray, the lace is so good. It's like not too thick and it's not too thin, so it's really easy just to glue on. Now I'm cutting off the little side flaps, so that'll be out the way. And after I cut off the side flaps near the ears, I'm just gonna cut off the extra lace that's not glued. And now it's time to melt everything, and I'm gonna let it melt for like 5 to 10 minutes. And while I do that, I'm gonna show you guys the little goodies that I received from 𝐼𝐄𝐍𝐓𝐋𝐘 hair. And y'all know this is my favorite part of when I receive wigs, besides getting the wig, you know, the little goodies. I had received a bonnet, and this is my first time getting a bonnet with the wig, and this bonnet is very reversible, which is so cute. And then I got 2 wig caps, an elastic to lay down the lace, which I forgot to use, and a pink edge brush, a small silk scarf, and lashes from their brand. And look how everything melted. It looked like it came from my scalp. Besides the size, like, I'm still working on the bald cap method. Do not come for me when it comes to this, okay? But other than that, I really like how the hair looks and the lace looks. It doesn't look too bad. And I'm just going to get ready to do the baby hairs, which is gonna help so much since I didn't do, like, you know, all that with the bald cap. So the lace, not the lace, but the baby hairs is just gonna help me cover that up. But do you see how everything melted though? It still looks good. And I'm honestly glad that I kind of messed up a little bit, just because I'm just going to be showing you guys, in case you do mess up, that baby hairs will come through. Then I had cut them, then I'm gonna curl them so it'll be easier for them to lay down. And I'm using the even edge control, and this is just gonna really help them lay. Like, and they did lay like so good. This might work way better than me using a mousse. And I'm just going to be doing the exact same process on the other side of the wig. And I'm just going to be taking an elastic and just melt down everything again, but this time with the baby hairs, so they'll really last and like stay down. But everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be listed down below, including the products that I use, of course the wig, and just everything, you know. So make sure you guys go check out my description. So I just finished getting ready, doing my makeup. I did apply no lashes again, and I'm kind of liking this look, especially like spring's coming up. I'm feeling more natural, you know. And same with this hair, like I'm feeling very natural type of vibes with this hair. So I'm not gonna put any type of product in it, because look at the curls. Like, they really popping already, like naturally popping. And all I did was wash the hair. I didn't put no type of leave-in conditioner, nothing. Only shampoo, conditioner, bleach the knots, you know, the whole routine. I fix up the hair because it's a little bit too frizzy for my liking. Just a little bit, like over here. So I'm just add some. And when I do hot comb the curls, like over here, and when I wash it, it naturally just bounces back to its natural pattern that it has, or to its pattern that it has. So you're not gonna mess up the hair when you do use a hot comb. But with the flat iron, I'm not sure about that, but with the hot comb, I notice it'll bounce back to its natural looking type of curl. And the hair does shed, but not too much, because when I was washing it, it was shedding, but I think it was because of how or what comb I was using. So be careful when you wash it, or just like be careful with the hair. So now I'm gonna add some concealer. And this is the curly wave type of wig that I just installed. It has a 180% density and it's 24 inches. So it goes like right here. Really love this hair. And of course, as the HD lace, we cannot forget about the lace. This lace is pretty sturdy. It's not even like a thin type of lace to where like, oh my gosh, I need to be careful or else I'm gonna rip it. No, it was super easy to glue down and everything, but I wish I would have bleached the knots a little bit better. But you know what, I'm getting better at it. But the hair though, it's beautiful, it's natural. If you're looking for a wig that has like a very natural type of curl to it and that looks very alive, I definitely recommend this wig from 𝐼𝐄𝐍𝐓𝐋𝐘, because it looks like it's part of me and it's not even my hair at all. And the lace is super good, and if you're really good at doing 13x4 laces, then this will be perfect for you. Make sure you guys go check out 𝐼𝐄𝐍𝐓𝐋𝐘 hair. I'll leave all the information in the description box down below, of course, like always. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, I'm about to take some pictures for this hair, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.